Hello and welcome. Today's video is worlds apart from the videos I normally make. I've been asked to make this video by one of my subscribers. He's reached out to me. He's had many issues with trying to get access to his own son, and he's set up a petition for people to sign. It's only people in the United Kingdom, because you have to put your name and address and things on the petition. I've signed it myself. It literally takes a couple of minutes. I'd be extremely humbled if you did take a couple of minutes out of your day just to do this. It'd mean a world to me, and it would mean a world to this gentleman. The story is that he emailed me. He's explained that he's had problems trying to get access to his son. What I mean by that is he's gone through the whole legal system. He's been to court and he's got a child arrangement order, and the mother of the child has been breaching that. It's really quite a sad story, and it breaks my heart. At the moment, he gets to see his son via FaceTime a couple of times a week. That's no way to see your son, your firstborn. It's a horrible circumstance. And by signing this petition, you will be supporting the movement of trying to make breaching a child arrangement order a criminal offence. So a bit of backstory. The relationship was quite mutual, as it always is. Couple, they have a child, they try and make it work, it doesn't work, they split. However, there's a child involved. So it starts off as a mutual arrangement to agree to look after the child around the work time on specific days. However, the next step is that didn't really work. Worked for a time, but then it didn't. The mother didn't stick to that. So the father's only option, his name's Stuart, by the way, Stuart's only option was to go to court and get a child arrangement order. You know, you pay a lot of money, a few £1,000s, and basically the court decide with the mother which days the father can see the child. And the mother is supposed to stick to that. And that didn't happen. And this poor guy has not physically seen his son for many weeks. Of course, he can't break into a property and kidnap his own son. You know, police would be involved and all the rest of it. But if the shoe was on the other foot and he had his son, again, there would be nothing that the police could do to get the son back and give the son back to the mum. So what this petition does by signing it is making it a criminal offence, enforceable by police. So what that means is it gives the police the power to enforce the crime of breaching that child arrangement that was agreed in court. He outlines that there needs to be an instant deterrent, such as issuing of an on-the-spot fine with an amount that would increase incrementally. Alternatively, community service. But just something there that deters a mother or father, because it works both ways. This isn't just an issue for fathers seeking time with their own children. It's also for mothers seeking time with their own children too, to stop them breaching this child arrangement. Because as it stands, the police can't do anything. They're completely powerless. If the mother or the father breaches the arrangement and doesn't let the other parent see their child on the days that has been agreed in court, nothing happens. It can be recorded and you know, brought to another hearing, but again, that's, you know, thousands of pounds more in solicitors' fees. It's another court. All of this taking place is impacting a child's development. A child's development who had the father or mother in the first year or so, or couple of years, and then suddenly they're removed out of their life. There's a father figure or a mother figure, and they're not part of that child's life anymore. And no matter how much couples hate each other, I always take the view that the child comes first in child development. It's important that a child has a mother figure and a father figure, or two father figures, or two mother figures, if it's a single-sex marriage or partnership. There are plenty of articles and things on the internet. There's Fathers for Justice, if you've seen them before. There's equal rights for separated dads. There's a lot on Net Mums, Mumsnet as well, about breaching these orders. So there's plenty of examples out there of unfortunate mothers and fathers that don't even get to see their own child on days which have been agreed in a court of law. So please, take a couple of minutes to sign the petition. It would really mean a lot to me, and it would mean the world to Stuart if you could sign his petition. I'll click sign this petition now, even though I've already done it. It says only British citizens or UK residents have the right to sign. So you'd click that, you'd put your name, you'd put your email address. If you don't want to put your personal email address, use your second one, use your dark web one. I don't care, but just put an email address. You're going to have to put your postcode though, and then just hit continue. And then after continue, the Parliament UK website will send you an email, and you just click the link, and then it's confirmed. It's confirmed that you've signed the petition. So as I say, it would mean a lot to me, and it would mean a lot to Stuart in his struggle to see his own son. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. The Emperor protects.